Okay, welcome back. Now again here I'm going to continue with the theme on motors. Okay, now again here's some information I gathered over time from the College of Engineering. Okay, now remember that information and knowledge isn't just limited to any one place. Because we are engineers and training to be engineers, we are universal. Believe me when I tell you that we are universal. We can work anywhere in the world, because the engineering status and the criteria is still the same. Okay, and again here you should all be familiar with this: magnetism, repulsion and attraction. Okay, basically. Okay, again here it should be attraction, not attractive. Attractive will be in reference to a beautiful female that you may see walking down the road that makes your heart beat faster. Okay, so we'll call that kind of human magnetism, but in this case we're just dealing with magnetism. Okay, magnetic field, again just showing you the fields here. You should all be familiar with this, nothing new. I don't need to spend too long on this. Okay, and here you have the electric current and magnetism. So here is showing you the direction of the current. The four fingers is showing you the direction of the magnetic field. Okay, so here in A, that's what it exists as it is. He's going to brought a hand in just to show you how to represent this. Okay, your right hand rule. Okay, in magnetism, in this case here you can see that the current is flowing downwards and the magnetic field is flowing around your conductor. Okay, again similar, same thing basically. Okay, an electromagnetic. Now this is the effect you will have on a solenoid. Okay, and a solenoid is a consistently wounding coil of wire. This is the effect, a magnetic field that will occur around a solenoid. Okay, now you know what a solenoid is, as you will come across them in your work in practice anyway. Hello. Okay, good. So sorry about that. And here we have force in a conductor. Okay, now remember that here we've got look at the polarity of the battery, and here you have the polarity of the battery going one way, so you have current flowing that way. Okay, positive to negative in the theoretical sense. Okay, and we have the force being exerted downwards. Okay, in that magnetic field. Now if we change the direction of the coils, so we just simply turn it around, we change the battery around, put the positive on this side, you now see that the force is upwards. Okay, let me just go back and show you, make sure that, see here the force is down. Okay, and here the force is upwards when we change the polarity of the battery supply. Okay, and diagram for simple DC motor. Okay, and all this is done. That will be your fixed magnet, or even coils actually in your stator. Imagine that. Then you have your brushes. Okay, and you have your single strand of wire wrapped around your armature. Okay. And here we just remove the pieces to give you a more explanatory view of the commutator itself. Okay, now again, don't forget to do some additional research for yourselves. Okay, this was research from online work basically, okay, and found to be useful for all purpose at that time. Now here's an electric motor, okay, and it's going to be separated in parts basically so you can see what it looks like, okay, right. So I'm going to take it apart stage by stage, okay, stage by stage, okay. You can see it rotates, okay, so forth, okay, and there you are, and it's showing you direction. It goes round, okay, that completes its cycle. And again, and there you are, okay. Well, I hope you found that useful, okay. Have a good day. Bye bye for now.